Hello, we're here at Automate Show, and I'm joined by Tobias Berkliff from
Germany, actually.
and also from his company Z Laser, which he was just beginning to tell me about. And I said, you know what? Let's tell the whole world. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
All right, let's do this. Well, Z Laser, we are a German company. We've been established in '85, so we've been in the market for quite a while now. And we are specialists when it comes to laser positioning, alignment, as well as lasers for machine vision. We mainly serve 3 different applications with our laser projections. One would be a laser for alignment. If you have a manual work step and you need to place something somewhere, we can guide the worker with a laser line, a cross, arrow, circle, whatever it is, and show him where exactly he has to place that certain workpiece, which kind of like makes the whole process faster. We can do this with a static projection, static line or cross, or a movable projection, meaning we can guide the worker through different steps. Pick this, place it here, and now pick that and place that here, which is enabled, it fastens, speeds up the entire process. Also, lasers are being used for machine vision usage, meaning we use a laser, combine it with an industrial camera and the software to do a 3D measurement of any profile, to check height, width, whatever it is you need to check. We offer several laser wavelengths from blue to near infrared, depending on the surface. Blue might give you a better result for the camera than a red or an infrared wavelength. Also different projection patterns, different output, whatever the customer needs, whatever the application needs, we can offer.
All right. So let's say a business decides that they have workers that they would like to use the laser to assist. What does the process look like once they get involved with your company in terms of finding the right solution for their problems?
All right, we do have a lot of application engineers. First you talk to the customer, like what exactly do you want to do? What is your aim? What is the task? What speed do you need? What process do you want to improve? And according to that, we can either choose a relative simple solution, let's say a $500 solution for a little improvement, or up to laser projectors, which cost between $10,000 and $20,000, which can offer you the worker guidance for entire process. So depending on the requirements, we do have a huge portfolio of several thousand possible combinations of wavelengths, projection pattern, electronic features, etc. Our customers from the machine vision industry who want to combine our laser with the machine vision industrial camera, they pay attention to a high-end, sophisticated electronics. They want to communicate with the electronics, read out temperature, runtime, estimated end of life, which is very good for predictive maintenance. You don't have to wait until something breaks to replace it. Okay, maybe within the next 500 hours this product might break, so it would be wise to already stock up on a replacement.
So tell me a little bit about the software side of this. So how do you design the way that this is going to be used? Is it a proprietary software, or do you integrate with other software that's used in the industry? What's the software side look like?
Our laser projectors, they come with a very nice user software. I can show later on. It's very easy to teach, and you can also implement it into the customer's PLC. The PLC can communicate with our laser projector. You can upload CAD files, and you can also integrate it into the customer's machine PLC to work or go through different work steps. So this would be for the laser projectors. The machine vision lasers have a software which can be combined with a camera software. The camera can trigger the laser, only turn it on when it's really needed. Also check intensity, check the temperature. So the software features can help to also make the product easier to handle, as well as check its performance, which in the Internet of Things is very important. You need to check the product's performance. Is it running? Is the power decreasing? Is it going into the end of life? So those are the features we offer.
All right. So if folks want to get in touch with you, what would be the best way to reach out?
Well, the best way to reach out to us would be check out our website, z-laser.com. Send us an email, give us a call, or the contact data on our website. We would love getting you in touch with one of our application engineers to see what kind of interesting applications you have.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time, and there will be more coverage of the Automate Show right here.